businesses worried they're going to have to shut down again as San Diego County gets dangerously close to the most restrictive tier in the state's metric system. Let's get to ABC 10 News anchor Mary McKenzie live at Waterfront Park. And Mary, local leaders are working with the state to try to avoid another shutdown.
State health officials have promised to take context into account. Jim, for instance, in San Diego County's case, the number of cases at SDSU is what has pushed us toward that lower tier.
Any decision to move a county into a more restrictive tier is done thoughtfully with a lot of deliberation to ensure that we don't cause businesses or communities to feel sort of stuck in the middle.
Whiplash is also what I've called it throughout this process. San Diego County on the brink now of having to shut down indoor dining, indoor gyms and worship services, as well as movie theaters once again. The county's COVID-19 case rate is turning back in the wrong direction. Right now, the case rate per 100,000 people is at 7.9. That's above the limit for the red tier of 7. And if that number holds until next Tuesday, the county would fall back to the state's most restrictive purple tier. Without those cases at SDSU, however, we'd be looking at a case rate of 6.0, which means we would not be in this tenuous position. There was a promise from local health officials yesterday to push the state to get SDSU's case numbers excluded from our county's case count. One administrator saying that there are many other counties in the state watching San Diego closely to see what's happening, as right now we're the only urban county in the less restrictive red tier in the state, but obviously clearly on the brink right now. And there are several thousand more college students who are coming back to San Diego campuses within the next week. Of course, we're talking UCSD in particular, as well as USD. We're live from Waterfront Park this morning. Mary McKenzie, ABC 10 News.
Mary, thank you very much. And here are the latest numbers from local leaders. The county reporting 294 new cases, bringing our total to 43,000. There were also 9 new deaths, bringing that toll to 742.